Hello everyone, I hope you are doing so good. This is Mustafa Saadi, a technical consultant, and I have more than 10 years of experience developing mobile applications and web applications and mobile games. Today we will talk about a very good alternative for the Photoshop application to do all of your stuff you would do in Photoshop. This application is completely free. You can download it anytime without any subscription or any fees. You can do all of your stuff. You can do it in Photoshop. You will do it in this application completely free, and this is not advertising. I'm using this application in my daily life. So let's go to know how to download this application and use it. First, we need to go to the Google and type Photo Demon. This you will find this first result. This website is called photodemon.org, or you can type photodemon.org in your address bar on your browser. Now we will hit this result. You will find a screen like this. You will see that the PhotoDemon application is a completely free portable photo editor. We can say this application is a portable application, not an installable application, and we will know how to install or fake install this application on your Windows machine. You can here donate for this application if you want. To download the application, you will hit this now. After hitting this, it should starting download. If it didn't start, you will go to this download page and hit here. It will start download. I will start to download it on my desktop and wait till it completes the download. Now download is completed, so I will make some refresh. So I think Chrome is now this is a corruption due to a network issue. So it's downloaded successfully. Now we can open this using the WinRAR or WinDeb application or Deb application, 7zip application. Now we will extract it here. Then we will open and make sure if the app here. We will cut this folder. Then we will get to this PC. Then we will get to the C folder. Then we will get to program files folder. Then we will paste it here. Now we will refresh. Then we will search for the folder of the Photo Demon, which we will we pasted here right now, and open it. Then you will hit the right click on this Photo Demon exe file. Then you will press on the send to. Then you will hit this to make a shortcut for the application on the desktop. You can now remove this stuff and make it like this. You can simply delete this folder right now. We don't need it. Now we can open the Photo Demon application. It is a super fast application. This is the startup screen. It will customize some settings for you. I love to use the interface, the dark interface theme, and I love this blue color. I don't like the monochromatic icons. I will leave it. You can here choose any type of language. It unfortunately it's not supporting the Arabic language yet. Then we will hit OK. then we will maximize the window. Now you can find some tools you might need. Let's download a photo, duck photo. we we like duck photos. Okay, it's our slogan, simple as duck. Okay, we'll download this photo and try to open it with no, the option is for creating a new image. We want to import or open existing image which we downloaded before. You can here patch process any type of files, like renaming, resizing, and applying some macros on a large number of photos. Here you can import a photo from clipboard. Let's try it. We will hit this photo in the web and try to copy it and import it to the application. We will hit copy image, then we will go to the photo daemon and try to import from clipboard. It's working fine right now. You can make any it has the layer system like Photoshop and coloring system like Photoshop too. You can do anything, I think, with this application, and you can here make some adjustments like brightness and contrast. I think this is a live preview for here. You can edit the contrast, then you will hit OK. You can play with channels and color balancing tools, which like in the Photoshop application. You can also playing with the shadows or contrast and highlights. This is too useful for the image editors using this stuff. This is for layering. You can here resize the image like you want, setting the PPI for the image, and also you can let's try to type here hello world and try to see what we can do with this text. This is for alignment, this is for the fonts, and we can here we can edit the text. Can make some alignments for the text. The simple stuff. For the text, we will change the color to the red color. It's super simple, I think. If you want to resize it, you will do this simply. You can rotate the text, do any stuff with the text. Okay, this is so cool, I think. Let's try to hide this layer. It's super simple, I think. It's really good application. Now let's try to save or export. You can exporting animated GIF or animated PNG or even WebP. You will try to save as. This is all the supported types or extensions for images. It is even supporting the WebP, Google WebP extension, and icon, JPEG, PNG, most of common image extensions. So I hope this video were good for you. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get all of our new videos Goodbye.